Whether you create content for a living or just have a passion for visual storytelling, finding the right tool to express your vision is crucial. When it comes to capturing aerial content, the right tool must combine the precision of high-resolution imaging and the power of a solid, stable aircraft. As a creative professional, you need to capture aerial imagery in captivating detail. With the precision of the Typhoon H+ 1-inch high-aperture C23 camera, you can confidently deliver 4K ultra-high-definition video and stunning 20-megapixel still images to exceed your clients' expectations. You can depend on the power, stability, and safety of the Typhoon H+ 6-rotor hex airframe. Get the job done right every time, even in the windiest of conditions. Fly with peace of mind that in case of emergency, your unique hexacopter can safely return to home on only 5 rotors. Intelligent flight modes like Journey and Orbit make it easy to capture dynamic shots with ease. A quick tap of the button, and you can create advanced cinematic shots efficiently and reliably. Provide your clients professional quality aerial imagery with the Typhoon H+ 6-rotor platform. You've just located the ideal vantage point. Now, it's time to get airborne and capture the beauty of this place. Don't let any obstacles get in your way. The Typhoon H+ with Intel RealSense technology automatically navigates obstacles, allowing you to focus on capturing the forest without hitting the trees. Looking to add that action shot to best tell your story? Follow Me mode, combined with Intel RealSense technology, provides a safe way to capture your subject in action. With its high precision, all-new 1-inch sensor camera and unmatched flight stability, the Typhoon H+ is a powerful tool for today's creative professional.